Today I'll teach you how to use delete stored procedure in ASP.NET. So the very first thing, I am creating an HTML table. And this particular table will have field for inputting the ID of the record to be deleted and a button. Let's move to the code behind. So here first I am adding the namespaces. So now I am adding the event handler for the button. Here we'll specify the name of the delete stored procedure. The next thing I am doing is declaring a variable for capturing the connection string from the web.config file. Once the connection string is fetched, the next thing I am doing is creating a SQL connection object, and I am passing the connection string which I have fetched to the constructor. The next thing I am creating a SQL command object to which I'll pass the name of the delete stored procedure and the SQL connection. Now here we'll specify the command type stored procedure. Now I'm adding the parameters to be passed to the stored procedure, to which I'll pass the customer ID. So the final task is to open the connection, then call the execute non-query function, and then close the connection, which will execute the query, also delete the data from the database. The execute non-query function returns the number of rows affected. In the very next line, I am checking the value of the rows affected. If it is greater than 0, then I am displaying a successful message. And if it is equal to 0, then I am displaying a failure message. For displaying the alert message box, I am making use of register status script function. Now again, I am moving to the ASPX page. I'll be now assigning the on-click event handler to the button. Now our project is ready. Let's run it and see it in action. As you can see, the text box and the button is now being displayed, and you can see right now there are 4 records in the database table. So I'll be deleting the record number 4. You can see I have received a success message. The record with the customer ID 4 has been deleted. So with this we come to an end. That's it.